and welcome to this Florence apartment tour. I'm going to be showing you around my study abroad apartment that I share with 6 other girls. We have 5 bedrooms here and 2 bathrooms. We live on the 3rd floor, well, the 2nd floor here. They start at 0, but it's the 3rd story. And we have air conditioning, which is nice, and an elevator. And I'm only going to be showing you around the common areas and then my bedroom because I don't want to show other people's stuff in their rooms. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so this is the view when you first walk in. Straight ahead are bathrooms and bedrooms. On the left is the kitchen, and then on the right is the living room, dining room area. And then we also have a double bedroom right here. So I'll show you a little more detail about here, and then I'll go through the rooms. So we have our couch, and then above it is like a little storage unit. Then we have the table, drying rack, and some extra chairs for the balcony. Okay, so we'll go on the balcony. And then it goes all the way down. Here's the view. Turning back around, there's that bedroom again, and then the kitchen straight ahead. We also have an intercom over here where we can buzz people in. Then going over to the kitchen. Here's the overview. And then when you walk in, we have a toaster oven and a microwave, instant pot, and then some storage cabinets below. We actually have 2 fridges in here, so this one's the smaller of the 2. And then we also have this one, which is a little larger. Then we have our cabinets, sink, stove, oven, more cabinets, and then little table, which we don't really use to eat on. We mostly just prepare food out there. And then we have like a small balcony out here just for our laundry. And then coming back out of the kitchen, turning left down the hallway, and we have some storage cabinets. Here is mine. It's pretty empty right now because I've already started packing up. Okay, so over here we have a single bedroom. Then we have the first of the 2 bathrooms. Obviously sink, bidet, toilet, and then this one has the larger shower of the 2. It's actually pretty big and spacious in there. And then some towel racks, and then turning around. Straight out of the bathroom we have another single bedroom, and then a double bedroom there. Then we have the 2nd bathroom. This one has a small shower, and then kind of the same setup everywhere else. So we have the toilet, the bidet, window, hello, and then shower. Then over here is the cleaning supply closet. I'm not gonna open it because it smells really bad in there. It smells like mildew. Let's go into the bedroom. Okay, so here's what you see when you first walk in. Bed is over here. Then we have desk area, wardrobe, and balcony. So all of the big furniture came with the room, but I had to buy little containers and stuff, so I'll walk you through everything. Down here I have a container from Tiger. I have some more in the wardrobe I'll show you in a second. And then here I have my recycling and extra bags because they charge for bags in Italy. Then my desk, so laptop and Coke, and then this container I got from Tiger to hold cotton rounds. I got this little bowl from Tiger. I got this mirror from Conad, this container from the 99-cent store, this makeup organizer from Tiger, and then another thing from the 99-cent store. And then also can't live without the bug diffuser. Garbage, and then here is my balcony. I love it so much. This is kind of annoying because I have to open both doors in order to close one, and it's very like finicky, but that's that. Then over here we have the wardrobe. It's pretty spacious actually. So down there I've been storing my suitcase all summer. And then here I have 2 containers from Tiger. And then some folded clothes. I'm already started packing. And then some hanging area. And then some extra bed sheets and my little carry-on suitcase. Then some shoes, laundry, and back to the bed. I actually just put this blue thing on there for it to look nicer, but I actually just sleep with a sheet because it is so hot. And then have a little bedside table, and then on it, obviously, the air conditioning remote. I thank God every day for an air conditioner. And then, yeah, then there's the door. And this thing I assume is a remote for the ceiling fan, but that was not here. And that's that.